If you need to add an SPF record in GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. SPF records help improve your email deliverability and reduce the chances of your messages ending up in spam. So if you send emails from your domain, this is one of the most important DNS records you can set up. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the domains and services connected to your account. After that, under the Domain section, find the domain where you want to add the SPF record. Make sure you choose the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one. Now click DNS, or you may see it labeled as Manage DNS. This is the area where you control the DNS settings for your domain, including records for email, websites, and verification services. Once the DNS page opens, look for the option to add a new record and click Add. Next, you'll need to choose the record type. Select TXT from the list. SPF records are usually added as TXT records in GoDaddy, so this is the correct option for this setup. After that, you'll enter the required fields. In the host field, enter the @ symbol. This tells GoDaddy that the record applies to your root domain. Then in the TXT value field, enter your SPF record. For example, if you're using Microsoft 365, it may look something like v equals SPF1 include spf.protection.outlook.com/all. If your email provider gives you a different SPF value, use the exact record they provide. It's very important not to guess or change the syntax unless your email service specifically instructs you to do so. For TTL, you can usually leave it set to default. TTL stands for time to live, and leaving it on the default setting is fine in most cases. This keeps the record standard and avoids unnecessary changes. Once everything is filled out, take a moment to double-check your information. Make sure the host is correct, the TXT value is typed exactly as provided, and the record type is set to TXT. A small typo can prevent the SPF record from working properly, so this final check is worth doing. When you're ready, click Save. GoDaddy will then add the SPF record to your domain's DNS settings. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet, so if you don't see the result immediately, give it some time to propagate. And that's it. You've successfully added an SPF record in GoDaddy. This is a simple but important step for protecting your domain's email reputation and helping your messages reach inboxes more reliably. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.